there's a different level of fresh that only comes when you pick it yourself. That's AeroGarden Fresh. More fresh than a supermarket. Even fresher than farm to table. This is plant to plate. With AeroGarden, grow delicious herbs and heirloom vegetables right on your counter. No sunlight required. Plus, you can grow up to 5 times faster than soil, so you'll always have plenty to harvest. You can grow more every day. Just drop in the pods, give them water and plant food, and watch them grow. You'll always get the right light and never worry about when to add water. No herbicides, pesticides, and it's always non-GMO. AeroGarden means year-round fresh, a natural fresh you can't get anywhere else. It means growing more of what you love. AeroGarden changes more than what you eat. It means a fresh way to live, all day, every day. With over 35,000 5-star reviews, come see what everyone's talking about. Grow more every day with AeroGarden.